Hello, today we will guide you through how to get API key HubSpot super easy. To begin, make sure you are already signed into your HubSpot account and on the main home screen. Starting from the home page helps you follow the exact path shown in this walkthrough without needing to search around different menus. Once you are on the home page, look toward the top area of the screen and click on Settings. This will open the main configuration area for your HubSpot account, where account-level tools, preferences, and app-related options are managed. After the Settings page opens, find and click on Integrations. This section is where HubSpot organizes connections, app access, and related developer style options. If your screen looks a little different, take a moment to scan the left side navigation carefully, since menu layouts can sometimes shift slightly between accounts. Next, click on Legacy Apps. This will take you to the area where older app access methods can be managed. Keep in mind that HubSpot may update or limit legacy features over time, so what you see may vary depending on your account permissions or plan. From there, click on Create Legacy App. This starts the setup process for generating the app access you need. Make sure you are selecting the correct option, especially if there are multiple app types displayed on the page. On the next screen, choose for one account. This option is typically used when the app access is intended for a single HubSpot account rather than a broader or shared setup. Selecting the right option here is important because it determines how the app will be configured. After that, click the checkbox shown on the page. This is usually there to confirm that you understand the notice or requirements related to using a legacy private app. It is always a good idea to read any warning or policy text before moving forward, especially when creating access credentials. Once the checkbox is selected, click. Continue with Legacy Private App. This will take you into the app creation form. Now enter the required details for the app. Fill out the fields as prompted on the page. Be accurate and consistent with the information you provide so the app is easier to identify later, especially if you manage multiple integrations. When everything is filled in, go to the top right and click Create App. That completes the setup process and allows the app to be created. As a final tip, once your app or key information appears, store it securely and avoid sharing it publicly. That's it for this guide on how to get API Key HubSpot super easy.